They say when you meet the love of your life, time stops.
Love is passion. Love is passion. Obsession. Obsession. Someone you can't live without. I say, fall head over heels. Find someone you can love like crazy and love you the same way back. How do you find him? Well, how do you find him?
Do you want to go see Fluffy? You want to go see Fluff? Oh, you want to go see Fluffy? Come on, baby. Come on.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy if you do the cooking by the.
You want to come inside? Okay.
What the hell? Who are you? Did you meet somebody out there? Who is that? Excuse me, who are you? You can't bring boys home. What if I just... No. No. Well, no. No.
You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, let me rub up on the belly.
Love you. Excuse you.
Hey Google, what do Siberian Huskies sound like?
This is a Siberian Husky.
Nice!
Oh no! Oh no, honey. What's your problem? What's your problems, huh? Ooh.
What? Yeah, they look good. But why'd you have to clean them? What? Whose?
Yes, hello? Is this the vet? Oh yeah, for Sam? Yeah, I'll take her right now. Is she gonna get shot? Oh, she's gonna get 10 shots. Okay, I'll take her right now.
1, 2. Down your tippy toes.
Thank you. I love you too.
I got a shoe for you, baby. Hey, high five, high five. Hey, come on, slip me some skin. Get him up there. High five, high five. How about my tail, eh? I could be out there with you. I could be out there helping ya. With paws like this. Look at him scrub. Look at him scrub. Look at my tail. I want to get out there, baby. I want to give you a hand.
Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo-doo-doo, scoo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
For those of you who were asking why the yellow dog never got any pancakes, I will show you why. Jakey, come! Jake, sit. The yellow dog is picky. He doesn't like pancakes. But the other two do. Hey, Dave? He's picky. He's picky.
I want a dog.
We're getting a dog.
A dog.
Yes.
D-O-G.
Yes.
Dog.
Mom, seriously, we're getting a
Never.
dog. Yes.
Never.
Yes.
Never. Wallahi.
Yes.
Wallahi, wallahi.
Yes.
A dog بفوت على البيت. Come on.
Yes, yes.
Say, look at her girl.
Yay, how much I miss you. Yes, I miss you. لكن جبت لك شي هاوني مع ابني.
Dog in front of me is so excited for his coffee. I'm dying over here. I can't with this dog. So cute.
Can you do it? Go. Wait. Come on. Who's here? Come by this way. Hi. Hello. We have company. You can do it. Oh, don't cry. You can do it, buddy. Jump. Jump. Come on. Jump. Oh. Daddy's not gonna help you. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Come on, jump. What? What? What are you doing? It's okay. You can do it. So watch.
Hiya folks, it's me, Dog Ross. Today I'm using a pre-licked canvas and I've covered it with a thin coat of liquid slobber. Take a little squeaky ball blue and just slap it lightly onto our background. There. Now let's add a rolling field of grass. So let's take some backyard green and just tap it. Take some dirt brown on a smaller brush and very carefully we're going to add some tree trunks here. Concentrate, because we don't want to mess this up. There. But the trees need some friends too. Let's add a few happy squirrels. They're just the cutest little devils, aren't they? There. And then, oh look, here comes their friend the wiener dog. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed today's paint.
Arrow drop. Now when your puppy has something cool, all you have to do is say arrow drop, yes, and then give him a treat.
have to drop your blanket. Winnie? You can't do that! Winnie?